Wednesday, day 16. As you remember, Tuesday, you guys, homework was to study for a Wednesday weekly, and some of you guys, I'm very impressed because you did a good job. So our learning target here is that I can determine if a relationship is a function. I can determine if a relationship is a function. And although I'm not sure why I didn't do this, let me turn this into a document I can do a little writing on. And you guys don't know my teacher trick, but what I normally do is just turn everything into a smartboard file, and then I can write and I can manipulate and do little tricks to help make this learning process a little easier for you. Just takes a second to do, and here we are. Okay, so the first thing I need to do when I want to determine if something is a relationship, I got to remember there's some rules to this thing. The first rule I got to remember is when I'm dealing with a graph, all right, when I'm dealing with a graph, I got to use vertical line test. Okay, that's what I got to do when I'm dealing with graphs. Okay, I'll make this a little smaller. Don't need to be. Okay. And my vertical line test, you guys already may know, is as simple as me creating a line that's vertical. I guess I'll use something like this. We'll do that. We can do that. All right, I'm good. Something as simple as this. All right, it's big enough for us. And either left to right, right to left, me doing this. Now bear in mind, this is supposed to be an equation. This is equation. This is equation. One thing to remember, when I have a closed end like this, that means the values are included. Open-ended means values are not included. Included values, not included values. So as I go from here to here, this is not a violation. Why? Because this value is included, but this isn't. So that's good. I continue. I see that we're going to have a violation right here because this value is included, but also this value is included. So right out of the gate, I know this is not going to pass the the test. So here we are. Failed function test. So sad, too bad. It failed the function test, y'all. All right. So we'll put red because it didn't pass. If it had passed, we might put green. Failed function test. All right. Now, we're dealing with another animal here altogether. Here we're dealing with some ordered pairs. So, again, there's some rules to this thing, guys. When I have ordered pairs, all right, no repeat x values. That's the key rule here. No repeat x values. All right. Why, Mr. McCray? That's just part of us remembering this rule all revolves around the idea that we can't ever have multiple inputs or outputs from one input. Now remember that whole birthday analogy. Mr. McCray can only have one birthday, but there's more than one person in the world that may have a birthday on the same day as Mr. McCray. So let's take a look. Ordered pairs, the rule is no repeating x values. All right, there's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, there's a 2. Guess what? It's not a function. it also failed the function test. Okay, failed the function test. So we got 2 that have failed. Okay, let's go on to our third candidate. Okay, again, this is great because ordered pairs are a lot like tables. All right, no repeat x values. Okay, right. No repeat x values. -4, 0, 4, 6. Folks, we're good. We have passed the function test. And that's all good. Pass the function test. Because we're passing, let's put it in green, right? Celebrate. Green means go, red means stop. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's see if we have answered the question. Which relations are functions? We got that. We know that our table is the only function. Explain why the other relations are not functions. We did that. We talked about why the first function doesn't pass the vertical line test, therefore it failed the function test. And we talked about why the ordered pairs have repeating x values. Okay, class, I hope this homework assignment was an opportunity to celebrate stuff you already knew. But most important thing is if we don't have it down, make sure we review this video and practice and study so we can be ready for our next weekly exam. All right, take care.